Alright, this is my 2026 Honda HR-V, and if you guys know Hondas, they make the smallest batteries for our vehicles. They got the 51R battery, which is a very small battery. Even their bigger cars that are V6s have the same small battery, and usually the problem with these 51R group batteries is they don't last as long as a full-size battery, or they don't give you enough juice towards the winter to start your vehicle. With that being said, today we got the Ancel engine super starter. This is the BS300 version. We already installed the Ancel super starter BS200 on my wife's car, and we tested it and it's been working great. But the BS300 is new and improved, and it has more juice for your battery. So let's go ahead and unbox it and install it. Most people think all jump starters are basically the same, but they're not. This is the Ancel BS300. And it's more than just a jump starter. Along with safely jump starting dead batteries, it also functions as a battery tester, giving you real-time information on your battery's health, voltage, and the charging system. That means instead of just getting your car started, you can actually diagnose battery problems before they leave you stranded. It's like having a jump starter and a battery diagnostic tool all in one. So most people will have a lithium-ion battery just like so in their vehicle, and they use it when their battery fully is discharged and you can't get the car started. And they do have a purpose and a good function. They provide a lot of amperage for your vehicle, and I keep these handy for the most part in all my vehicles. But they do have some safety concerns. Being lithium-ion batteries, they could pose a fire hazard, and again, you got to be careful to keep them out of certain environments that are damp, wet, and whatnot. The engine super starter by Ancel, the BS300, provides your battery up to 1,000 amps of starting power. It doesn't use a lithium-ion battery. It's a super capacitor, and it stores energy from your charging system in these capacitors, and it improves your battery's lifespan. This is a long-term maintenance product that stays in your vehicle at all times, connected to your battery at all times, and it's always working. Every time you start the car, it takes the abuse and the amperage here instead of your battery. And that's why batteries fail, because the cranking diminishes the battery's life over the years. Typically, I see these small batteries can last 4 to 6 years at most, and actually the Ancel super starter says with this product helping your battery start every single crank, you can improve the lifespan of your battery up to 3 times. So that 5-year battery here can last you 10 to 15 years. How great would that be? So we're gonna go ahead and install this battery capacitor into the vehicle. As you can see, it's pretty simple. We're gonna first charge it via USB-C right over here just to get it pre-charged, and then you just connect the positive and negative battery terminals. And I have already the positive terminal here. I have a couple points here or here that I can put my negative terminal, and the hardest part is just finding this place to sit somewhere, which I think I'm just gonna double side tape it on the fuse box just like I did with my wife's vehicle. It's a nice, easy to get to place, plenty of space here, and the cables are long enough to actually go to the battery. And this is also a jumper, because you can discharge all of the amperage and power that is stored in the capacitor if you need to jump the car if it's a dead battery. And you can do that in 2 ways. You can press this button, which manually discharges all the power to the battery in case you need to jump start it, or you can do it on the app too. This is a app controlled device, and the app is really nice because the app will tell you many things, including the battery health condition, the voltage, the state of charge from the capacitor and the battery, and it records every start in your vehicle, and it documents how much amperage this device actually pushed to help start the battery. So we're gonna install that, go over the app here shortly. So to download the app, literally take a picture of this and it will download the app, and it will automatically pretty much add the super starters. As you can see, I currently have the original BS200 super starter listed on here. As you can see, we just connected to the super starter on the app and it is already at 91% state of charge, so I didn't even have to pre-charge the super starter, and it's doing a pretty good job just getting power from the battery currently. The battery status is pretty good, 91%. It's been, again, 1 year old car and battery. It tells you the voltage, the temperature, again, the state of charge. And right over here on the starter is again you can see I can force start it with this button, or I can press force start on the app in the convenience of the car, and it'll give you more juice to start the battery. It also has a history here, and it'll tell you the voltage and the current, and it tells you all the devices you can add. You can monitor multiple vehicles at a time. You can also set an alarm at what percentage it will alarm you when the battery life is down. So if it's 50%, maybe it's time to buy a new battery, and you will get notified when your battery is getting weaker, so you're prepared. All right guys, so we got the battery installed. This is gonna be the location. I'm just gonna wait till I get a nice thick double-sided tape just to mount it here on the fuse box tray. I think this is the best location. Easy to press the discharge button, and it just flows pretty well with the engine bay. I'm gonna go ahead and start up the car, show you guys how it monitors everything when the car is running, and you'll be able to see that. So this is really cool because you can pull up the app, you can always see the voltage and the battery condition. So let's go ahead and try to start it up. All right, there we go, we started it. As you can see, back the car battery is charging again. 428 amps was discharged, and yeah, it records it, documents it, and you can always monitor how the discharge current is working. But yeah, car's running, so the battery's charging right now, and the jumper is going to charge as well from the alternator, and it's going to keep that charge until you start the vehicle again. And just when you start the car, that's when it's being used and gives it that jump, that current, and it helps your battery stay healthier longer. Again, most people get it confused. The super starter is not your battery pack jumper. Two different things, two different technologies. This is a long-term solution for your battery that lasts for many years and stays with your battery connected for the life of the car or the battery. This is a temporary solution if your battery is completely drained. This gives you a nice high peak of amperage. And again, it's a hit or miss. I keep these things in the car winter and summer. So far they've been okay, but again, it's a lithium-ion battery and it can cause problems if the environment is right or wet or damp. So the super starter is pretty safe. The only difference is, again, this technically is a long-term maintenance kind of thing, offering 700 amps on startup. Something like a jump starter that's dedicated with a lithium-ion battery is going to have a lot more amperage. This one itself, 7,500 amps of juice to start your battery. And it's less convenient because you got to think about it, you got to take it out, you got to hopefully have someone that knows how to use it, while this one is just on autopilot all the time. They offer 3 different versions of this super starter: the BS200, which we previously tested and have installed on a different vehicle. This is the BS300 that we currently made for this video, and there's also a bigger one, the BS400. The differences are obviously the prices and the amperage. The BS200 gives you 700, 300 gives you 1,000, and the BS400 gives you 1,300. As you can see, they have their recommended engine size, both for gasoline and diesel motors, and what they support. But let's go ahead and click on that BS300 and let's take a look at the overview of this product itself. As you can see, there's 1,000 amps peak starting power, where you can see when we started the HRV, it only used about 450 amps, so there's plenty of room overhead during those difficult cold months to start. Extreme temperature reliability, again, it can be used all year round in the freezing and hot temperatures. 500,000 cycle supercapacitor. So again, this lasts for years. I'm talking about like 50 to 90 years based on these stats that I've seen on ChatGPT. And the best part is, again, the battery stress is reduced and it expands the lifespan up to 3 times. Even if you get 2 times the lifespan, I think that's a good deal. And going into some of the details here, let's talk about it. It's always connected, so you never have to get out of the vehicle, go under the engine bay, especially for your family or if somebody that doesn't know their way around the car. This always works and it always protects you. Let's talk about the traditional jump starter and the battery super starter. Traditional jump starter needs to be stored in the trunk, needs recharging. It discharges over time if it's not charged. It has a lithium ion battery, which again ages and diminishes the amperage that it returns. Cold weather, it degrades, and if it's drained and you need it, you're kind of screwed. The super starter is permanently installed under the hood, is always connected. There's a very small amperage that it draws just to stay afloat, which doesn't really degrade the life battery or anything. Minus negative 40 degrees, still good to go. It's always ready, always guarding. The battery super starter absorbs all the cranking load. Again, it is the first step in jump starting your car or starting your car, and by taking the load, your battery lasts longer. It reduces battery stress, extends the battery life up to 3 times, and you can monitor, like you've seen, the battery voltage and the health, and it gives you warnings when it is low, so you can monitor it 24/7 whenever you want with your phone and Bluetooth. The lithium jump starter, it has risk to swell, thermal runaway risk, battery aging, fails when freezing, heat sensitive above 140 degrees, needs regular charging, and it's emergency use only. Where the BS300 supercapacitor has no swelling ever, no thermal runaway, ton of cycles, no degradation, negative 42, 176 Fahrenheit, is always connected, always ready, daily protection. So if you guys are interested in this, go ahead, you can check out the link in the description below and get the appropriate super starter for your vehicle. If you want a reliable car for many years to come, don't want to deal with dead batteries anywhere, check out that link. You can install one in your vehicle. I'm going to do a long-term update, like a 5-year, 7-year, 8-year, and see if our original battery will last. I ain't here for the money, I ain't